Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to write a program to find out if the number is positive, negative or 0. So we will take a number. Let me just open an untitled program, and here I am going to write down a is equal to 10. So as you can see, the number should be giving as positive. If it is minus 10, then it should be giving as negative, and if it is 0, then it should be giving as 0. Okay, so this is how we will try to find out or identify by MATLAB program whether the number is positive, negative or 0. Okay, so let me use if statement. If a is greater than 0, then what we will do? We can simply print a statement that the number is positive. So to print a statement we can use fprintf. Okay, and we can write down percentage d. Percentage d is used for numbers, percentage f is used for decimal numbers. Okay, so if you are having, let's say, 10.3 or 8 or something, so you can utilize percentage f. Okay, so I am going to use integer numbers, so that's the thing, I am going to use percentage d. So percentage d is positive. Okay, let's put slash n so that it goes to next line and it will give me the answer. So one line we have completed. If a is greater than 0, we can tell that percentage d is positive. Else if, let's say, a is less than 0, what is the print statement we will print? We can print out percentage d is negative. Okay, so my percentage d is negative a, so a will be taking a number which is going to be negative, right? Else we can tell that my percentage d is 0, the number which is put here is 0, and we have to end the statement. So end, so my program is now complete. Okay, now let us run it. So it is asking to save the program, so I'll just put it find number. Okay, positive, negative or 0, something like that. Okay, so you can see 10 is positive, it is showing 10 is positive. Let's say minus 10 if I am telling, then what will happen? Again run it. It is telling minus 10 is negative. Let us say I'll put 0, then what it is showing? Number is 0. Okay, same thing you can do it another way. Let me write again, and let's say I am going to utilize here percentage f. It will be easy for you. Okay, so percentage f can take decimal numbers as well. Okay, now it will show 2 times. You can see first it is showing 0 is 0, and next it is showing 0.000 6 times 0, up to 6 decimal numbers it is going. Okay, so let us say I am going to put this a as 10.6. Okay, so first one will be 0 and second one is positive. As you can see, first one this was 0 and next one it is positive. So it is not a good method. You have to always put, let's say this is a, you can put this is a1 or b or something like that. Okay, now same thing we can do it for by taking the numbers from users. Okay, so I will just make it comment and put a is equal to, how to take numbers from users? Input, and we can put inside single quotes, we can give some prompt. Okay, so input a number. Okay, so the number will be entered and we can see it. So it is asking input a number. Let's say I am going to give 20, so my a will be coming as 20, which is going to be positive. Okay, so it is saying 20 is positive. Down it is 10.6, that's the reason it is showing negative. If I tell minus 10, it will show negative down 1. So first of all it is asking to input a number. I am going to, let's say, give minus 30. So number is negative as well as this is also negative. So hope you have an understanding, very simple program, how to understand whether the given number is positive, negative or 0. So you can write down an if else statement. So if it is positive, then you put it positive, if it is less than 0 it is negative, else it can be 0. Okay. So thank you so much. If you do have any questions or any comments, you put down your questions in the comment box and we shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.